Forest and Environment Minister T.H. Kumar in a meeting with members including the women wing of Friendly Environment Warriors at the Jiribam Guest House last evening assured of extending a financial aid of Rs 5 lakh to Jiri Green Mission, an initiative taken up by Jiri Green Mission, Jiribam. Forest and Environment Minister T.H. Kumar today inaugurated a pay and use toilet complex at Imam Market located at Babupara, Ward number 4, Jiribam district. The toilet complex has been built under the Swachh Bharat mission. With a mission to fight global warming and maintaining ecological balance by reducing the environmental issue, Phayeng Gram Panchayat in collaboration with Don Bosco School Phayeng carried out a cleanliness drive at Phayeng Umang this morning. More than 150 students along with the Phayeng Gram Panchayat members and Pradhan joined the drive. In a jolt to the Congress in Mizoram, 3 members of District Council MCD of Chakma Autonomous District Council CADC yesterday joined BJP at a council headquarters in Kamlanagar as per reports. 6 former Congress councillors along with their supporters also joined the Saffron Party along with 3 MCDs. The centre has reached out to 2 former Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Omar Abdullah of National Conference and Mehbooba Mufti of the People Democratic Party, raising the possibilities of reopening some space for political dialogue in the valley. Omar and Mehbooba have been under detention ever since August 4, a day before the government announced revocations of Jammu and Kashmir special status and its bifurcations into 2 union territories, while Omar is currently at Hari Niwas Palace. Mehbooba is at Chashme Shahi in Srinagar.